everyone, my name is Vadini. I am from RPIIT College Karnal, Plaza. Today we are going to learn about software engineering. What is software engineering? Let's break it. Software and engineering. Software directly using it and driving force to deliver the product. Nowadays we are using every type of software which includes system software and application software. Engineering, it is a process to build things. That is engineering. By observing both the definition, we can conclude that systematic application of engineering approach to the development of the software, and engineering is the process to build particular things. In the technique, it is a logical thing and we cannot see the code. How we can do a project? One should identify the domain, right? And then problem statement, clarifying objective of the program, of the project to make the plan, and then collecting requirements, making a rough structure, which means a block diagram, implementing code and decoding, test product after completion and testing. Doing all these things in a systematic manner, it is nothing but we can say it is a software engineering. Let's continue. What is software engineering? The term, as we have already discussed, software and engineering. Software engineering and engineering branch associated with the development of software product using well-defined scientific principles and methods and procedures, where we can say that in simple words the nature of the software is to be used and the software process to be followed. Engineering practice we can implement defining the framework activity, identifying the task set, and what are the kind of patterns of the processes which we can use, process models, accessing the process and improving them to satisfy our needs. So these all are the points where we use the software engineering. Here, IEEE defines the software engineering. It means that application should be of a systematic, disciplined, quantifiable approach to the development, operation, and maintenance of the software. Without using software engineering principles, it would be difficult to develop large programs in the industry. We develop large programs to accommodate the multiple functions. Engineering, we have two, basically we have used two techniques to reduce the problem complexity, which is abstraction and decomposition. Abstraction implies that the program can be simplified by omitting irrelevant details. Means we don't want the information which is not required. In other words, the main purpose of the abstraction is uh, we just use the certain purpose and suppress all other aspects which is not required in the software. The other simpler problem is solved. And decomposition means the complex problem is divided into several smaller problems. Then smaller problems are solved one by one. So this is a decomposition where it's a kind of decompose, like the problems being chunked into pieces and then solved into with the different solutions, simple solutions. Need of software engineering, we use in the large scale software scalability, cost, and dynamic nature. This is it for the video. If you like our channel, do like and subscribe. Thank